To begin, press the square for 3 seconds to enter program mode, buzzer beeps twice, and PRG is displayed. Scroll left to PSU, press the square to enter. AC is displayed. This option allows you to disable the mains failure monitoring on sites where a solar panel system has been installed. Press the square to enter. I will deactivate it. Scroll to the left. I'll press the square to confirm. To enter PSU once again, press the square. Scroll to CHR. This option allows you to disable the onboard charger where a larger battery capacity intelligent charger has been installed to maintain batteries larger than the standard 24 volt 3.5 amp hour battery. This feature is used as well with solar panel kits. By disabling the built-in charger, you remove the possibility of interference with external chargers diagnostics. Pressing the square to enter. It's currently off. To save, pressing the square. It takes us back to the PSU display. To exit, pressing this X, and we're back in standby mode with RDY.